What's up my BBs? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I did kind of mess up. I started recording this and then I went to decide what exactly I was going to do and I turned the camera off and forgot to turn it back on, so it is going to jump ahead a little bit in the tutorial. I'm sorry, I love you guys. And this is my face when I realized my mistake, and it took me a second to decide what I wanted to do, but I decided to turn this into a cut crease tutorial. So I cut my crease by dipping some Morphe concealer into a tapered crease brush. This took me a long time to figure out how to do, and I realized I kind of just had to make the cut crease a little above my crease. Maybe I'm just doing it wrong. I don't know. But anyway, the colors that I used that I recorded off camera are a combination of Escape, Cola, and Brother. So now as I finish cutting the crease, I switch to the shade Hello, which is one of my favorite shades of this palette. I use this over my crease and it gives it such a nice shimmery blue. And then I go ahead and use the shade Playground also because it just gives it a nice, more pigmented look because the shade Hello can get a little light. And for this, I use a Morphe small chisel brush. They don't have the number names, the brushes that I'm using right now, because they came in the All I Want 6-piece eye brush collection from Morphe. I will in the future have some of the brushes with numbers that can be more clearly described to you. Now I will use a Morphe smudge brush to go back in to that crease and used colors Escape and Cola, a little combo of the two just to give it that nice indigo shade. And then I also dip into Acapella just to blend it a little bit more into the light blue since it's more of an indigo color. This brush is from the Naked palette of Urban Decay, and I dip this into Escape for my under eye line. I then use the opposite end of the brush in the shade Single just to blend that out a little bit because it just gives it a more smoky look that I'm going for. Now I dip this e.l.f. blending eye brush into the shade Ring Light just to give it a nice highlight around the look, and I put it in my inner eye corner and then right below my brow bone. Now I apply these lashes I got from Wish with some Duo lash glue. And then I quickly line my waterline with NYX 2-timer dual-ended eyeliner. And then to finish off my eyes, I use the Urban Decay Perversion mascara, which is by far my favorite mascara. And I put that on the top and bottom lashes. I really thought go big or go home with this look, so I decided to use Jeffree Star Velour liquid lipstick in the shade Medusa just to give it that blue purplish look. And this is the end. Thank you guys for bearing with me. I love you guys, and I will see you guys next time. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it.